How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum, we came to Oreburgh City and bring back Roark to the gym, and also we evolved our good Star and Jet. And in this episode, we're going to take on the Oreburgh gym, and let's take on Oreburgh gym. Oreburgh City's Pokemon gym leader Roark. Call me Roark the Rock. And let's go and talk to Roark. And also, last episode we cleared out his trainers. Welcome, this is the Oreburgh Pokemon gym. I am Roark, the gym leader. I am but one trainer who decided to work proudly with rock type Pokemon. As the gym leader, I need to see your potential as a trainer, and I'll need to see the toughness of the Pokemon that battle with you. Here we go, Ithano says Oreburgh City gym leader Roark, and you are challenged by gym leader Roark. Okay, he opened up with his Geodude. Let's go for a water gun. And bye bye Geodude, bye bye. Grew to level 16. His standard is Onix. I had 4 times super effective move against you, stupid Onix. You know that? And Cranidos. Should I switch out? No, let's go for water gun. Bye bye. Okay, it survived, but no problemo. Let's go. Okay, went for potion. And he'll go for another. Okay, doesn't even went for another potion. And good, just swept the first game. What? Okay, Roark. This is embarrassing. I went and lost to a trainer who didn't have a single gym badge. You are the first gym though, but that's tough. You are weak. You are stronger and I was weak. That's all there is. According to the Pokemon League rules, I have to give you your gym badge. Since you've beaten me, the gym leader, here is your official league call badge. And Lucas received the call badge. And should I will add the gym badge to the layout. Having the call badge means your Pokemon now can use hidden move Rock Smash outside of the battle. You should also take this too. We got Upton TM76 Stealth Rocks, and he's gonna say the summary of it. And let's go and teach Rock Smash to one of our Pokemon. You will know. Yes, good. Sorry, I wanna make you my HM slow. Let's get rid of Tackle. Okay, let's switch up our pattern. Let's put Star at first, and Star will level at level 34. And we already have a fully evolved Pokemon. Let's go. I'm not even gonna heal up. Third. Oops, Lucas, you got the gym badge, huh? Eterna City is the next place with the gym badge that gives away a gym badge, right? So yeah, I went to Route 2 Northern, but you cannot go there without a bicycle. I made my team battle and toughened them up, so it wasn't a waste. I'm going back to Jubilee City next stop, the Eterna gym. 10 seconds before I dash. 9. Wow, what's got time to count? Let's go. I think we got updated with the what is that? Ripples from the town. And look, he's gonna say some not so important story stuff, so I'm not gonna read that dialogue. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy some ripples because I need some ripples. Yes, they got updated. Let's buy 6 of them. I wish I had a bike now. I can't wait for a bike. Let's go upward. No. Professor Rowan, you must comply. Hand over all your research findings for free naturally. Failure to comply will result in a painful time for your assistant. Oh, Lucas, well, how is the progress progressing? Really, Professor Rowan? You are asking progress progressing? That's Oreburgh gym badge, I see. But hadn't I given your first Pokemon only recently? Perhaps being a trainer is like second nature to you. Oh, Professor of Pokemon, you be so difficult. You are speaking to your own business because this is work for us. What we are saying is we demand you comply with our demands. Quite, you lot, why must you be an answer? Let me listen some lessons you should learn. Don't loiter about for no good reason. Don't interrupt others while we are attempting to converse. If you don't go our way, we don't raise your okay. He's saying some stupid stuff. My goodness, you call yourselves adults? You kids don't grow up to be like these sorry specimens. You had to make this personal. You have forced your hand into making a show of force. Will make your regent insulting Team Galactic. Your kids give your attacks lesson in civility, please. Lucas, let's battle together. Here you go, Ethan says you are challenged by Galactic Grants. And they opened up with their Stunky and their things. Let's go for a wing attack on Glamia. Bye bye Glamia. It survived. Okay, we took down the Glamia. Let's go for a wing attack on the Stunky. And we defeated the Galactic Gun. Take that to Galactic Grants. You leave us on no option, we will retreat for now. We shall do so because Team Galactic is benevolent to all. That's what they call themselves, Team Galactic. When evolved, they seem to release some type of energy. However, I believe that is a mystic power of far behind our control. But Team Galactic seems to be studying that powerful potential. Okay, Lucas, did you know the professor studied the evolution too? According to his research, 90% of all Pokemon are somehow tied to evolution. Well, that may be the reasons, okay? That's really unforgivable. It's all over, so you can relax now. Still, thanks you two. Nothing came to of that situation. I appreciate that. Incidentally, Lucas, no. Okay, kudos to you for your battling skill. It got me thinking, why don't you... Okay, I'm gonna collect all gym badges. Okay. And now a useless character comes up with us. And we got the fashion case. And since we got triples, I'm gonna use them. And also, in the last episode, I asked you guys the question of the day. What is the first or shiny color of Charizard? If you don't know, for a fact, its first or shiny color is purple. Also, for today's question of the day, what is the first ever Pokemon ever created? I know the answer, but I'm not gonna say it because I'm not gonna spoil it. I'll say it in the next episode. And we got TM39 Rock Tomb. And I know what is the first ever Pokemon ever created, but I'm not gonna say it. Let's go for a Repel. And let's go to the next town. It's so weird that we are going to a new town every episode. And we got the Awakening and Trainer Battle. Okay guys, I accidentally got into another trainer battle, but I'm gonna show it off because I'll forgot what did I done. And let's go for Wing Attack Star Ravia, and the useless bug ever. And also might have a priority in this gen, so that's nice. And we got it, boys. Let's go. We doesn't even have cut now. And I think we are very near to the Florama town. And Pachirisu. And I'm gonna go for quick attack on Pachirisu and roll out on the Pachirisu. And it doesn't even care it. And they are going for quick attack on me. Let's go for quick attack. And roll out. Bye bye Pachirisu. Let's go for quick attack. And it went for, okay, Rowlet will decimate you. And we defeated the Stenoids and Stargrave to level 18. And it wants to keep old moves. Give up on Endeavor. We do not need Endeavor. And good Grave to level 17. And then next gym says is level 21. So yeah, we got TM1 and Bullet Seed. Next gym says is okay. We got to Florama town. And let's seal up our party. So when we reach the next gym town, for the gym leader, I might train up all of our squad up to level 23 because I just wanna be safe. And we are not adding a new team member until after so many episodes. It will be approximately 10 episodes from here and now. We're adding our next team member. And that's it for this episode, guys. See you next episode. Let's play Pokemon Platinum. Peace out.